Journey with me as we go to St. Elizabeth. Now, bigger than that, we're going to Juicy Patty because me no know what go on. But a little visit, my visit long a yard, Juicy gets hot, big, bad, out and stunting. Guys, I was so excited to be outside. I didn't care how the weather looked. I was just happy to be home and to be eating some good food. Catchy dance, catchy dance. Listen, I did not remember that Jamaica food about so much toll. Prime Minister, take time with the people in pocket. Too much toll, guys, man, I'll lie you. I was always a fan of Tasty, and I know I can't be the only one. So drop in the comment section if you do love Tasty's patty too. But this time around, Juicy Patty, I give them a run for their money. Mr. The patty was so nice. It was my first time trying the cheese and chicken combo. I'm not lie you, it's sweet to my belly, sweet to my belly. Guys, I enjoyed the patty and the cocoa bread so much. The bread was nice and soft and you know, just nice in my mouth. It just melted. Honestly, Juicy beef, go on, big up yourself. If you want to send me to a party over your social media, don't hesitate. I'll be glad to take it. Guys, comment down below which patty company is your favorite. And by the way, I'm about to watch my face. I look a sunscreen. I'm about to come for me in the comment section. Anyway, stay tuned for the trips. Bye.